load means to read. So let us start with the text files program. So these are for your practical files as well as in your question paper, also board question paper. These type of questions will be asked. So we will do today write Python program to count the number of characters from a file. So here one file we will open it and then we will count the number of characters, how many characters are there in that. Then Python program to count number of vowels in a text file. Now whenever we will do text file, three methods we will use. One method is character wise, second method is word wise. Suppose they will ask you to search how many this is present, how many those are present, any word you are searching. And the third one is line wise. So whenever character wise will be there, what you will do, you will read. So read will read all the in a paragraph form, and then it will, if you want to access character wise, you can use a for loop and character by character it will access. If it is word wise, then we will write dot read dot split. So dot read will completely read the paragraph and split will break into words, and then we can use a for loop for word in that list, and one by one word you can collect. In line you can either write read lines and then you split it, or simply you can write read line. So three commands are there: read, read line and read lines. So for lines you can use any one. Either you can use read line, one by one line it will read and do its work, or the second method is using read lines and then using a for loop, one by one line you collect it and do it. So let us do the programs. Now in the board exam sample paper they have asked these questions. Write a method function display word in Python to read lines from the text file story.txt and display those words which are less than 4 characters. So we will read the lines and then in that we will split and we will make it into words, and then we will check if it is less than 4 characters, then it will display. So all the programs we will do one by one. Let us start with the program. So these are of the text file. Then the binary file will be in that form using import pickle. Then the CSV file we will do. So in text file, simply you have to, for writing, what you will do, you will open the file in append mode or write mode, and then we will input the data and we will write and we will close it. So only 4-line commands for writing. Simply you will open the file in write mode or append mode. Append will add, keep on adding at the end. You will take the data from the user through keyboard. You will write it in that file, whichever file it is, and then you will close it. So this much only you have to do. For reading, what you have to do, you have to open the file in read mode. You will read from the file and then you will print it and you will close it. So only this much you have to do. If they have asked you to check something, then using a for, you can take one by one character, and then like characters you have to access. So here same thing you will do. You will open the file in read mode, you will read from this file, and then I have used here two counters to count here the uppercase and the digits. So for loop I will take to read the character one by one from this txt, because it is having the complete file data of this file. And then if that character is upper, that is capital letter, then it will count here, and if it is a digit it will count in C1. Now at the end, after coming out of this loop, it will print here number of uppercase alphabets is C and number of digits is C1. Same way, if it is, the question is count his or her, then same file you will open. Now word, wherever word is there, what you have to write? You have to write here read, then either in the second line you have to write word dot split, or here only you can write dot split. Split will take split into words. So that paragraph will be splitted into words. Now words will be stored one by one word I am accessing, and I am checking if it is his, then it is counting in C, and if it is her, it is counting in C1. So it is printing here number of his is this many and number of Her is this many. So you can see it practically also. All the questions of text file, this you have to write in your practical copy. Now these programs are directly write a program. Now next will be in board exam, they are asking write a function. So function means you will use a def keyword, you will write the function name, and if any argument, here no need to pass any argument, directly we will open the text file in read mode, and then read lines will read the line, and one by one line you can access, you can check if it is starting with A, then we are counting those lines. Same way words, which are the length of the word should be less than, this is of sample board paper. So def display words, a counter we will use here. The indentation was not proper. Yes, counter you have used, you have opened the file, and then you have read from the file, you have used here split, so words will be splitted, and then you will check one by one word the length, if it is less than 4 then it will print. So here also you can see in this, suppose story.text is there and A means append means it will add at the end. So here you can see input the data. So we will take the data from the user, we will write and we will close it. So let us run this program and see. So when you will run it, it will ask here that what data you want. Suppose you click it here and then you run it. Now it will ask here, suppose I am counting he, his. So I am in capital letter or in small letter also you can write here. He you want to count, then his I am writing 2 times, I want to count this. Then her I want to count 3 times, I am writing here her. Then there are many programs in which this, those, so these I have written just for counting, and normally we are not writing these type of sentences, but just I want to count. When I will press enter, already the story was already written, there was a line, all the story was already written. I have added, since I have used here A is for append means it will add at the end. So just now whatever I have written, you can see it is adding at the end. Now here in this program, if I am if the question is that you count how many vowels are there, so simply what you have to do here, you have already read, you will use a for loop, you will use a if, you will simply using a if, you will check it, if it is A, I, O, U, then it will count and it will print how many vowels are there. Like same question, if you just copy it and paste it, and then you can check how many vowels are there. Let us see which all programs, like here uppercase alphabets and digits, you can see for this paragraph how many uppercase capital letter and how many digits are there, it is showing. Then the next question is count lines starting with the uppercase. So here uppercase characters, how many lines are starting, then how many his, her is there in this particular file class 12th b.txt. You can check here how many his and how many her are there, it will simply count it. So same thing we can do with our new file. Just now we have written a new file. This was asked in sample paper that how many words, display those words whose length is less than 4. So you can see here all the words whose length is less than 4, it is displaying. If you write here greater than 4, then it will display those words whose length is greater than 4. You can see here these words are there whose length is greater than 4. Clear? Now suppose in this question, just now you have written the story, and in this story you want to count a particular word. Suppose you want to count was, W-A-S. So 2 times, here also was is there, here also there, he was very brilliant. So let us write a program for this. So what I will do, I will simply copy it from here. Yes, now what is the question? Question is that how many was, count how many was are there. So what I have to do here, I can use here dot split because I want to count the words, or in the next line also you can write here the split, and then you will use a counter. So C equals to 0 I have used here. Now I will take a for loop, and for suppose words I am counting. So W in, you will take here text. So one by one it will simply take from the text, and then it will check if W double equals to, now just now what you have told was, you want to count here was. Now after a block colon is there, and then you want to write here C equals to C plus 1. So it is counting here how many was is there. After coming out, it will print here the total number of was. Yes, it is counting total number of was is how much? C. So here you will write here C. Now you run the program. You can see here 3 was. You can see in this program, this is 1 was, this is second, and this is last one. You can see WAS, 3 was there. So it is showing here 3. Clear? So these are the text files. So this we have done already, text file. Now next question, next is your binary file. So these all the programs which I have shown you, you just write in your copy all the text file questions which are given here.